plenty of buildings. I will have plenty of buildings. Now, are you going to live in all the buildings? By any chance? So, it's very hard, guys. We don't live in all the buildings, right? So, max to max, one building, one apartment we will. Max to max, one building, one apartment we will. Let's say like this is me. I'm living in B7. Let's call this one as B5. So for this gated community, I will be having an entrance, right? This is my entrance. Now, are you going to get access card for your entrance? When you are living in gated community, you get access to the entrance, guys?
Yes.
Yes or no? No answers?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes. Now, are you going to get the access for all the buildings?
No.
Think, guys. Think of it. If you can think of it, then then class will be easy for you. Otherwise, it's a bit difficult. You'll be roaming around asking this question. This is the entrance.
I guess yes.
Authentication will be there. Access the building, but you can't enter and you can't do.
So authentication will be there. The common area of the buildings we can access.
Which means like I can stand here, right?
Yes.
Yes.
And I can see this building.
Yes.
All those nonsense things I can do. But can I enter into this building?
No.
No. I cannot enter there. But what is happening here? I will be getting an entrance access. Whenever I am getting an entrance access, can I see all the buildings?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So, same story here. Can I restrict this user saying like I will give you an entrance, but I will not allow you to see all the buildings? Is it possible?
No.
Can you restrict the user saying like no, you are living in B7. You have to see B7 building only. Don't look at B5 building. Can I say to a user? Will he agree?
No.
He will not agree. He will say like, man, are you mad or what? What are you talking? Am I entering into that building? I am not entering, man. I am seeing it. Because I can see it is visible in front of me. What should I do? Okay. So now this is your S3 service. Now in this S3 service, what I have my bucket 1. I have my bucket 2. I have my bucket 3. I have my bucket 7. Now what I mean to tell you is like if I am giving a privilege of seeing an S3 bucket to a user, he can see all the S3 buckets. I cannot restrict one user telling like no, you cannot see, you should not see other buckets and all, nothing like that. You can't restrict it. Okay, but what I can restrict, guys? Tell me.
Permissions, I guess.
What I can restrict?
Using the content, the seeing content.
Very nice, Anil. Good one. So what I can restrict is like I will tell him like okay, bucket only, right? See, you are not going to access the data inside it. You are not going to access the data. In the second thing, what am I going to do? I am going to restrict access to only one S3 bucket. Let him see other buckets. Let him see. He cannot see the content. So checking the content is different from checking the bucket. Okay. Hope you guys understand the requirement, guys. In tomorrow's class, we'll try to implement this one. Today we can't. We'll Okay, so it will be quite interesting, guys. Just make sure that you guys are not missing the class. Okay, in tomorrow's session, we will see how we are going to implement this custom policy and how we are going to differentiate between list all buckets and list bucket. So all these things will see. If you have any doubts, please stay back and clear doubts. Rest of the people, see you tomorrow, guys. I will check with Mahesh that how we can facilitate the assignments for you, because I want to track like whether you guys are really doing the assignments or not. I would like to track it out. Okay, I'll check with him. If there is a such possibility, then we will do it. But anyhow, I will share the assignment with him, so he will coordinate with you. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Any doubts from anyone? Okay, cool then. If no doubts, guys, I think we are good to go.
Sir, sir.
Have a great day, guys. Sir. Someone have raised hand. One second. Yes, this one. Yeah, Kesava, please, sir.
Sir, so that policies you told that AWS managed policies and user custom policies. So basically, AWS managed policies are like out of box policies which are immutable.
You're right. They are immutable. You got it.
And so user customized policies are mutable that a user can create them and he can modify whenever it is necessary.
Absolutely right.
So I'm just assuming like that. Is it the same or is it like?
Sorry.
I'm just assuming like managed policies are immutable and user customized policies are mutable. I'm
Yes,
just assuming.
you're right.
Okay.
See, it's quite simple, sir. See, imagine like you are owning a car. You are the owner of the car. Can you do whatever you want?
Yeah.
Okay. Now imagine like you bought a car for a rent.
Can
you do whatever the customization you want?
No, it's a restricted policy.
Compare the same thing here. If you are taking AWS related policies, you can't do anything because you are the owner. If you are creating your own policy, then you are the owner. You do whatever you want. Your understanding is absolutely right.
Okay. And in the S3 bucket, say for example, I have say for example batch one S3 bucket. So is there any limitations like storage limit, like I can only do 1 GB of data because it's a free tier, no? So there must be some
The free tier maximum is 5 GB. Don't upload more.
Okay, for a single bucket or like a completely whole tenant.
Complete service. Whole
okay.
Tenant, one entire service. Max is like 5 GB.
Max is 5 GB. Okay. And you told me that S3 bucket names are like unique for one bucket to another bucket. Is it same for like only for single tenant or is it like globally? Because you told me that account ID is globally unique identifier.
Yes. So this is what is the example that I took for this, sir? You remember the example? Tell me what is the example that I told you to remember?
Yeah, I really forgot that.
No problem. So I told you the example as your passport number.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Passport numbers are unique across the world.
Okay.
Because Indian passport, if you are having Indian passport, only your country guys can have, but none of the users in India will have the same passport number. Across the world also, it is not possible.
Okay.
Same thing here. Okay. Even though you have 100 accounts, you cannot create a same S3 bucket in 100 accounts. It's not possible.
Okay, so it is also like a global unique for each bucket name.
That is what the intent is.
Okay, so thank you so much.
Okay, guys, then let's connect tomorrow. Hey, sorry, guys. Anyone else have raised hands?
Mahesh, could you please share the curriculum in the PDF format? I tried downloading from the website, but I couldn't.
I think Mahesh is not available. Mahesh, you there, Mahesh? Any chance?
Or Shan, if it is audible, can you just present or just run through?
Yeah. I'll give you walk you through. I'll just walk you through what is that. But content wise, he's holding.
Currently, I'm working professional, so just want to see like how long it will take for me to cover all these topics.
Definitely. Just give me 1 second. Just see. Okay. So we have covered all this. Yeah. Listen, as part of the syllabus, you can see. So what we are covering is So we will be covering.
But do we have the
Cover
PDF,
even AWS
the PDF format, Sean? Like,
yeah. So what I mean,
brochure.
like he is holding it. He's having the end-to-end content with him. I will ask him if you are, if you want to know the detailed course curriculum, what is there, then I'll just ask him to share with you. Is it okay? Something? Fine.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't have a PDF with me handy.
Okay.
I also just ask in the group. Okay, he will share.
Sure.